National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, northwestern Union County, Indiana, Fayette County, Indiana, until 4 a.m. At 3:08 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of New Castle to Rushville, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Connorsville, Centerville, Cambridge City, Liberty, Hagerstown, Fountain City, Dublin, Glenwood, Franklin, Waterloo, Columbia, Bunker Hill, Abington, Brownsville, Milton, Greens Fork, East Germantown, Spring Grove, and Bethel. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 156. I-70 in Ohio near mile marker 0.